want to have some doubts, you can share with me. My email ID is here present. I'll be interesting. I'll be very happy to answer your queries in future also. Yes, madam, any questions?
No queries, sir. No questions.
Okay.
Sir,
Okay.
shall we wait for 2 or 3 seconds, sir?
Yeah, sure, madam. No problem. We can wait. Maybe Sari is calling. Can I attend the call, madam, please?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I will mute. I will mute.
Yes, please. Yeah, yeah, sir. Yeah, okay.
Sir,
Can you tell? Yeah, I'll keep it. Like daily on. Yes, yeah. Hello.
hello, sir.
Yes, madam. Yeah.
One question posted by the participant, sir.
Yes, sure, madam.
That is, how much time it will take to implement machine learning in 5G practically in day-to applications for common people?
This is very means actually it depends upon the hardware that you are using the training, and it depends upon the network. That means which kind of layers you are using. Generally, AlexNet and all they are taking some 1 week, 2 week for training purposes to updation of the weights with a high speed means high end GPUs. So it depends upon your data also, how much data you are using for training purposes. So there are certain parameters. It depends upon the data. It depends upon your hardware, that is the GPU. It depends upon the network that you are using. So I can say it's completely depends upon these parameters. So if your data is very less, we can train it within a very small time. And if your data is too high and your network and your GPU is high-end GPUs are you are using, then I can say it will have very less time. It can be trained, but how much time it is requiring or how much time it will require for training, it cannot be told at this point.
So next question,
I hope you got, I hope you got my answer.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Because
sir, next question.
Yeah.
Please share a case study if possible.
Yeah, there are so many case studies. Means if we'll see deep transfer learning for intelligent cellular traffic prediction based on cross demand big data. Which is how the transfer learning is used for traffic prediction based systems. I have also given some references for polar as well as LDPC code in case of 5G by using machine learning approaches. There are all are the case studies, but if you want to discuss in more detail, we have to take a complete application of this. One of the application I can say clustering, simple application of clustering of the data. So data from the different stations or IoT devices are coming. It should be clustered, it should be processed, and it should be efficiently transmitted to the end users for proper applications. That you can use in case of your IoT, that is your home automation systems, management of all the devices. So these are some of the case studies. You can refer to the references. Already I have given the references in my slides. You just have a look into that.
Sir, next question is, please suggest an approach to gather data.
Yeah, an approach to, yeah. How to means you want to ask the gathering of data in the sense you have to receive the data. The sensors are there to pick up. That means your different kind of sensor, pressure sensor, temperature sensors. Suppose IoT devices, these data are generating. It is coming to the cloud. That is it is received by the receivers. You are all are storing. That means your data is coming and you are processing and you are taking the actions. So for approach, if you will say for that gathering means you have to useful data to be gathered. Not like that whatever is coming we have to gather. Then it will be of useful data, unuseful data. That means not use, not required data should be collected. Are thus machine learning. That means your at the input of this devices for processing. It will make a huge load at the end. So whatever is coming, based on that we are processing and we are taking the decisions. And regarding gathering the process, I have to look into some references. I may be come to the answer later on. What is the approach to gather the data? Basically, whatever I have using, we are not gathering the data. We are just taking the output of the different sensors, different devices, process it and use it for the environment and just store it based on the application oriented. But I have to see the approach of gathering, how we'll gather it for different things. I have to look into that.
Sir, next question, can I read out, sir?
Yeah, sure, ma'am.